Hi guys, welcome to myToyS TV, right? And today we're going to be l.o.l surprise toys. Collectors, little hair people. And they have little hair. And they are suitcases that open and have a lot of things to do, right? Yeah. And they have a comb. Look, this l.o.l. Train your brain and your hands. Various styles. Wow, it is unique and amazing. Special styles. Now let's open it. These are suitcases too. I got a clue. I think I know who it is. I'm not gonna tell you guys though. Here's white. Yeah. I thought this is l.o.l. Why is there still a poopsie thing on it? Oh, you have to build this one. This one is more unique. That's not what I think. That was not what I think. That was not what I thought. Her head is separate with her body. Gotta plug her back. I have a problem. How do I plug this? It just broke. It's like big. Did it broke? Oh, please. I'm going to open the other blind bags. Thanks. Her little skirt. And where's the other shoe? Oh, it's in here. These are, where did you buy these exactly? So they know? Where did they buy these?
Where I bought this?
Yes.
I bought it in Bangkok, Mecca Plaza.
But they look like made in China.
Yes, it's certainly made in China.
Oh, how did I know that then?
Well, most of the toys you buy from around the world is from China.
Why?
A number of toys are from other places, like Vietnam or Thailand.
Or England.
You see, this one. American soldiers, American Army. I brought
U.S. Army.
Yeah, U.S. Army. I brought it in America. And it was made in China. American soldier, U.S. Army are made in China.
Why?
Well, because this is toys.
Is toys invented by China?
No.
Oh, thank goodness. Here is my l.o.l. Let's open the other one. Cut the video.